What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the Grim Runner. We back at it again with another video today. Today, I actually want to keep this video kind of short and simple. I'm out running errands. This is another little vlog style video. But I want to pretty much ask you guys, have you ran into any, I'm not going to say outright just like sketchiness or trickiness, man, but honestly, I think sometimes these dealers try to get over. Hold up, man, I'm gonna break this light, bro. My bad, y'all. Get through this light, man. I ain't playing with these people. But what the reason why I'm asking this question is, so I took my Challenger to get his first service, got the oil change and everything done, and you know, the first check for a brand new car. They, you know, checked all the fluids, you know, tire pressure, you know, all that good stuff. So while I was in there, I actually spoke with the parts department at Tobin, and the dude told me the most outlandish, like, I was like, nah, I'm like, this can't be serious. So I asked him, I'm like, all right, check it out, I want to do a couple miles to my car. I'm thinking about buying a 6.4 liter cam, and I'm thinking about getting a 6.4 liter exhaust manifold. But I would rather purchase it from you guys. That way y'all can go ahead and install it on the car, and I don't void my warranty. So the funny thing is what the parts guy told me. Now, I'm gonna just tell you exactly what he told me. So he said, yeah, we'll sell you guys, we'll sell you the parts. We'll sell you the parts. We'll install the actual parts, and these are all OEM Mopar parts. But he said once we sell you the parts, once we do the install on the car, that's pretty much gonna void your warranty. And I'm like, bruh, like, what kind of, I'm trying to watch my French and not curse, but I'm like, what kind of BS is that? Because I was under the impression if you purchase all OEM parts, and if you get any work done through the actual dealership, that your warranty will still be intact. And that's not the case, at least with what the parts guy told me at Tobin Dodge. And I just don't know if that's true or not, man. I just want y'all to let me know if y'all experience any type of shadiness like that. Because the crazy thing is he pretty much he was trying to show me a Hellcat for one, and then he pretty much made up this little story about how the 5.7 liter is an engine that's not meant to be modified, and you know how the Hemi engine is extremely delicate. It's not meant to handle all of these different modifications. And I'm like, that's cap, bro. I'm like, that's big cap. That's big cap. Because at least from what I know, the 5.7 liter takes well to modifications a lot better than, you know, the actual Scat Pack and the actual Hellcat motor, as far as, you know, performance modifications and bolt-ons and things like that. So yeah, man, I don't know what these people had going on, man. Just let me know if y'all shared that same experience. But we just go talk, man. Today we having a little bit of fun. Like I said, I'm out running a couple errands and we vlogging. As you can see, I'm out on the road right now. So go ahead and drop in the comments, man. Let me know if y'all experienced anything like that. But I'm about to get ready, man. That's how you know I'm tripping right now, man. I just got off work. I'm starving. I'm about to get ready to pull up in this parking lot, grab me something to munch on, and we go finish this conversation, man. Alright, y'all, we got the goods, man. I'm about to go ahead and chat out on this good El Pollo Loco. Like I said, man, I'm out here running these errands, about to eat in the car. Y'all know how it is sometimes. Yeah, man. So like I was saying, let me go ahead and rub these hands down real quick with this sanitizer, man. You know we dealing with that thing right now. You know, gotta keep my paws clean. But yeah, man. Like I was saying, you know, like I said, I'm just chopping it up with y'all. I'm running errands today. I got a lot on my mind, but I just thought that was kind of tricky and kind of suspect because I really want to start doing some mods to my engine. And what I was really trying to do is just like price everything out for the most part, just to kind of get an idea of what Dodge was going to charge me, just so I can, you know, start putting those funds together and putting that money to the side, because I'm really gonna make a project out of it. But what I'm probably gonna end up doing is speaking to somebody else in the actual service department, or speak to somebody in the parts department, because that don't sound right. I don't understand how, if I'm purchasing parts from y'all, you guys are go avoid my warranty when it's all OEM parts. And just to show y'all I ain't capping, real quick, let me go in my glove box. It's not really what my bad, y'all. Then you got these people that just, man, this parking lot full. Look, and y'all got they want to pull it right next to me. Empty ass parking lot, man. And they gotta pull right next to my car, dude. Tricky. So I'm gonna show y'all. This was from Tobin. I went in for my first service appointment. Let me see if it got the date on here. I think this was like last week or something like that. But come on, man. I know this thing gotta have a date on it, but it doesn't matter. The whole point I'm just trying to get across is that I feel like I'm getting judged. I just feel like something ain't right. And surprisingly, this thing, not unless I'm blind right now and I'm just starving, because I'm over here. I got my food sitting right here. I still ain't touched my food yet. I'm gonna have to clean my hands again with this sanitizer. But oh, you know what? Yeah, I gotta cover my government up though, real quick, just so y'all can see. Oh, hell no, this shit got my address, everything on here. Nah, you know what? It ain't even that serious, man. Because I know y'all know the deal. Y'all know what it is. Try to find. But I went on the 6th of November. I just don't feel like trying to cover this paper up, because it got my VIN number on here and got my address. It got my full government name. But yeah, we ain't about to do that today. But I don't know, bro. I just thought that kind of sucked, man. Because like I said, I was just under the impression that if you go to Dodge and you get the parts installed by Dodge, that you were pretty much, you know, you were still covered. Like all the parts are OEM. So I just don't know what direction to go. And I know a lot of y'all out there have actual modifications done to y'all Challengers. So y'all might be able to steer me in the right direction. That's all I'm asking for right now. For the most part, what I'm probably still gonna do, which I am gonna do, I'm just trying to figure out which one I want to go with first. If I want to add the 275 tires, which I think that's gonna be the next big thing that I'm gonna do, which is not really big, but that's mandatory. I'm gonna do the 275s on the back, and I still cannot find the Hellcat air intake box for the 2019 that'll fit the 2019 RT. Now I keep hearing a lot of different things, man. I keep one of the guys in the community told me to go with the TA air box. Somebody told me that the air box that comes stock in the actual RT is already kind of like a cold air intake system. But I don't know, man. I think the Hellcat box looks pretty cool for the most part, and it really didn't cost that much, so I didn't mind, you know, making that purchase just to kind of see if I do feel any type of performance gains. But man, I'm about to dive into this food real quick, man. I know y'all probably bored of me talking. I'm gonna try to get a little bit more footage. You know, I'm gonna hop out the car at some point, but I'm about to knock this El Pollo Loco out, man. I am starving, bro. Y'all can see I got that good double chicken tostada salad. Man, this thing be hitting. When you're on the road and you need something quick easy, something semi healthy, you know, to eat, man, go on and get you one of these tostada bowls. Man, and now I'm hot, cause I'm hungry. Fast food place can't even get your order right, man. I order the bowl, extra rice, extra beans. I go to dive in, they give me no rice and no beans, bro. Oh my god. Alright, man, they finally got it right, man. I ain't trying to make this video all about my food, man, but y'all know how it is, man. When you on the road and you in the car and you hungry and you trying to eat and you trying to get stuff done at the same time. So they got it right though. That's the one that they screwed up right here with putting no rice, no beans. But look, they went ahead and hooked that boy up and gave me another one and let me keep that one. So, man, I'm about to go ahead and go to town real quick, man. Your boy is hungry. Roll. Pulling up to this good Starbucks. Oh, man, it's tricky. Hell nah, bro. Look at this line, dog. For Starbucks, man. It ain't that serious. I guess don't nobody wanna get out the car. Ah, man, it's ugly right now. And we still got cars all over here, bruh. We got my man over here. He probably looking like, man, this dude got this camera out. And I'm about to go on the inside and pick my John up, man. Ain't no way in hell I'm about to sit up in this line. Thank you, bro. Thank you. My boy said I had a nice ride. But this line is tricky, man. I'm just not trying to go on the inside and be around all these people. I can't believe this many people want Starbucks, man. Look at this line, bro. It's tricky right now. Alright, man, so we pretty much go wrap this video up like this, man. I had to go on the inside and pick up my drink. It's already dark. I ain't trying to take too much of your time. It's ugly right now, but I'm out here chilling in the car. Y'all know, got that RT light booming as y'all can see. It's a nice night out. It's pretty dark. Like I said, man, a lot of times you might get a little vlog like this where I'm just kind of talking about certain things with the car. So I had a lot to do today, and you know, we go keep pumping out the good content though. But every now and then you go get one of these, you know, one of these little vlogs where I'm just kind of just chopping it up with the community, just checking in on y'all, seeing how y'all doing, and you know, just kind of talking my talk. But we reached 1,500 subscribers today, so first off, I want to say thank you to every single one of y'all. I appreciate you for supporting the channel. I promise to keep pushing out A1 content. Like I said, y'all just have to excuse me a little bit because I do have a job. You know, I got my baby, and you know, I have a lot of things going on outside of, you know, work and YouTube that, you know, that I have to basically put a lot of time into for the most part. So every now and then I just kind of want to relax, and you go get this vlog style video for me. So that's why I'm chilling, man. I got my Starbucks, this salted caramel boy. Yeah, this that joint right there, man. So if y'all new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and smash the thumbs up on all my videos. Go ahead and binge watch. I said binge watch, man. That's how you know I'm tripping right now. Go ahead and binge watch all of my videos. Make sure y'all hit the thumbs up on the video if you haven't hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the community. Make sure y'all engage with the content. And then I'll be back at y'all on Friday. I promise y'all on Friday I'm going to be back with a real good one, man. Dedicated and based around this car, man. Y'all have a blessed day. Y'all stay safe out there.